I'm hoping this could be one of the last 2020 things to happen. I got a bird in my dryer vent. So yeah, this is probably how a bird got in there. I know for a fact that's the dryer vent. And that grid protector broke out of there some time ago. And I'm sure that's how he got in. Maybe I've just been lucky it hasn't happened till now. So the chances of this animal being able to navigate its way up a flexible plastic and metal pipe, i.e. the dryer hose, out through the vent, something like 5 feet or so, to get out of the house, it may be a bridge too far for said bird, especially since he's got to go up a significant amount. So I think the only way is for him to come out this way. And so my evil plot is the door to the garage, I'll prop it open, leave the door into the house closed so he can't escape into there. And then I'm gonna have to hope I can lure him out and get him to fly sensibly out the door into the outside world. This is my prayer. I've never really been much of a gamesman. And certainly hunting birds has never been anywhere in my repertoire. Today, I shall become a great bird hunter. Strike two. You ever had a door stop that just will not stop a door? This is my issue. You have to MacGyver it, I guess. There. MacGyver achieved. All right. Now, let's do this. Okay. Proper protection is very important when hunting large game. No, if you ever want to feel bad about your life, pull your dryer out and look behind it. It's disgusting. If there is a bird in there, it's no longer a living thing. Which also makes me a bit concerned, because that dead bird's going to smell really bad. All right. I am not seeing anything that looks like a former or current bird. Let me get back in there to be careful. Cool. He didn't make it. Perhaps if I had just acted quicker, he could have survived. Sorry. Sorry, birdie. Sorry.